Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Spring is finally here. That means I can start hand washing our Bronco again. There's nothing like a good hand washing to get rid of all that winter grime and dirt. We're going to get our Bronco scrubbed up today, but first I want to show you what we're working with. What I have here is a very cool, very complete four-wheel drive off-road wash kit from my friends down under in Queensland, Australia at Salty Captain. That's right guys, direct from Australia. If you know my channel, you know I like my Australian products. We've already got a few on the Bronco. Now we've got some great Australian products to help keep that Bronco looking fresh. Let me show you what all is included in this kit. I'm going to start with my favorite piece. This is the Captain's Musket. This is their foam gun. It's designed to work with a standard garden hose. They also have a gun that works with a pressure washer. This is the foam nozzle. You put your detergent in here and the gun does all the rest. It also comes with a quick change jet stream nozzle, adjustable for the stream. It's got 3 positions: off, rinse, and foam. And it also comes with a quick disconnect, or you can screw your garden hose directly into the gun. Pretty cool. You get 5 different colored, generous sized microfiber towels. The 5 different colors will help keep the towels separate for different operations. You've got a big microfiber drying towel. Very nice. We have a microfiber wash mitt. We have a very heavy duty tire shine applicator. Check this out, very nice. We have a stiff bristle brush for areas like tires and fender wells. And we have a soft bristle brush for those delicate painted surfaces. This is the 4-wheel drive and RV wash. This is what will go in the foam gun. This is their drip dry. This is a post-wash hydro coat. This is their grease attack for those greasy areas like under the hood. We have tire shine, interior cleaner, and if you haul big dogs like we do, you're going to need the interior cleaner. And last but not least, glass cleaner. We've got 2 lids because we have 2 4-gallon buckets with the Salty Captain logo. And each bucket comes with its own grit guard. These grit guards will help keep your mitt off the bottom of the bucket and out of the dirt. Guys, this kit normally retails for $159. I've got a 15% discount code in the description of this video, so take advantage of those savings. That takes it down to right around $135, which is a great value for all of these products. Another great thing, Salty Captain has an office and a warehouse in the United States. So you're going to get your products fast, and if you spend more than $50, there's no shipping cost. So it's a win-win. You're going to get 15% off, free shipping over $50, and it's going to come to you fast. Let's get this Bronco scrubbed up. So guys, we have our jet nozzle on the Captain's Musket here. You want to start with this and blast all that loose stuff off. It's got a nice, pretty powerful stream. So this long pointy nozzle really lets you get up into these tight spaces. Pretty cool. So far, so good. So guys, we have our foam nozzle on. We've got our cup full of detergent. Let's foam it up. You want to work in small sections. We've got 2 buckets filled with fresh water, nice clean water, 2-bucket rinse method. Now there's 2 ways to rinse. Put your trigger halfway. That puts it on rinse. Or you can swap out for your other nozzle. And you can rinse like this too. When you have your soap blasted off, put your foam nozzle back on, foam her up, just like that. Nice. This soap has a pH of 12 to break that dirt up. Guys, it's time to clean these tires and wheels up. Check this out. We've got both our bristle brushes here. We'll do the tires first with our stiffy. Rinse that off. Soak that wheel up. Take our soft bristle brush. And this thing is really soft, so it is not going to scratch your wheels up. Blast that off. Let's say you want to scrub up under your fender wells. Put a little foam in there. Get your stiffy out. Looking fresh, guys. Simple as that. Guys, as you can see, we keep our motor pretty clean here on our Bronco. That doesn't mean it couldn't use a little detailing. We're going to spray a little Salty Captain Grease Attack on here. We're going to spray it down with straight water first, and then we're going to spray straight Grease Attack in our engine compartment. Let it sit for a little bit, rinse it off, and see what we have. All right, we have our jet nozzle on. We have our spray pattern set. Let's rinse this off. As you know, vehicles are a lot easier to work on when they're clean, and this will keep your engine compartment looking great. Nice, look at that, guys, beautiful. Guys, we're gonna try out this drip dry from Salty Captain. This will give you a hydrophobic effect on your panels. Now, you wanna make sure that your panels are good and clean. If you have to remove any contamination first, go ahead and do that. This is gonna act like a ceramic coating. This is gonna help water and dirt just sheet right off of your panels. Let me show you how this works. So we've got our canister full of drip dry. Now, you wanna do this a little bit at a time. We got a nice cloudy day here. You don't wanna do this in direct sunlight where your panels are hot and where this is going to dry right away. So we've got perfect conditions for this today. Like I said, you just want to do say maybe a panel or two at a time. So here we go. Now, you want to rinse this immediately. You do not want this to cure on the surface of your vehicle. Simple as that. This is going to make it easier to dry your vehicle too. I'll tell you what, the Captain's Musket, I like it a lot. Always wanted to try a foam gun, and this is a very inexpensive, easy to use way to get into a foam gun. You can put this drip dry on your wheels. And there you go. That's post-wash drip dry from Salty Captain. Folks, that was a fun wash. Very quick too. That foam gun is efficient. It makes the wash go faster and uses less detergent. So we've applied our drip dry, our post-wash applicant, and now we're going to try out this nice big microfiber drying towel and see how that goes. Oh, this is a nice soft towel, very absorbent. Check it out. Very absorbent. This is a very nice drying towel. This will take care of those water spots. So we've wiped about half of the Bronco down, and this really doesn't even feel that wet. This is very nice. Okay guys, it's time to hit our windows with a little Salty Captain, the window cleaner. Our boy Tonka, he's a 145-pound bull mastiff, and he can really droll up these windows. So we always have to carry some good window cleaner with us to take care of his little spills. Let's check it out. We're gonna spray it right on the window. Take one of our microfibers, fold it up. Oh yeah, that drool's coming right off. Very nice. Turn your rag over, buff it out. Very nice. Streak free, works on dog drool too. Guys, slobbering up door panels is another bull mastiff specialty, and our boy Tonka is an expert at it. So we're gonna try out some Salty Captain interior cleaner on this door panel and see what we can do. Spray it right on the panel. Smells good too. There you go, just like that. Turn your rag, buff it out. That'll get those panels looking like new. Very nice smell. It smells nice and clean. And it looks clean because it is clean. There you go. Well guys, we made it. Let's put some finishing touches on this Bronco. How about a little Salty Captain tire shine? There's a couple ways you can do this. You can spray right onto your tire. I prefer to wet the applicator. That way you can control the product. This is a nice heavy applicator. Big chunky applicator for big chunky tires. Perfect. This tire shine is nice. It's not too shiny, but it makes your tire look like new. That's perfect. I do not like real shiny tires. But that looks fresh. Well folks, we've got the Bronco all scrubbed up and looking fresh. Thanks for watching this review of Salty Captain's 4-wheel drive and off-road wash kit. You can find this kit and all the other fine Salty Captain products at saltycaptain.com. And don't forget, there's a 15% discount code waiting for you in the description of this video. If you like the review, give us a thumbs up. Think about subscribing. We're going to be doing a lot of great camping trips this year, and we'd like to have you along for the ride. Until next time, see ya.